currently doing some research using computational physics, and I am a prior computer science I have a computer science degree, and now going into computational physics. So hopefully my answer um, isn't too biased because of my experience with computer science. But as far as getting into computational physics, I don't think you need a huge level of programming knowledge. I don't know what your current level is right now, but picking up some basics of Python, I think would really help you getting started. That's probably a good generic answer. There's other languages that you might want to know. MATLAB is used a lot, so it really kind of depends on if you're talking about like going into a computational physics class. It kind of depends what they teach there. There's some really good tutorials on MATLAB on their site, and you can also kind of go on YouTube to look at MATLAB tutorials. Another good language that's used a lot is Fortran. So between the three languages, I would say probably don't worry too much about Fortran. It's a little bit more of a complicated language, and especially for like an introductory computational physics class, they're probably not going to use Fortran. So picking up Python, just because it's simple to pick up, you can learn the amount of Python that you need to know pretty quickly, and especially if it's like a first level computational course, not going to really expect you to have a lot of programming knowledge, so they're going to show you a lot of the things you need to know. But having a little bit of a base in Python would be good for that. But also MATLAB. And again, if you have the course description and if it says that it's going to be taught using MATLAB, I'd say kind of maybe run through a couple tutorials for MATLAB and you'll be good to go. A lot of the programming in computational physics isn't like super hardcore, in-depth, complex. As far as the coding goes, a lot of it is just math. If you know your math, things like solving differential equations and like expanding Taylor series and things like that, it's kind of more math heavy. But as long as you know how to do the math, writing it down in code is really not that complicated. So hope this helps.